5 ways I practiced English alone and got results, all anchored from my ebook, 30-Day English Fluency Blueprint Talk Confidently Anytime. I want you to watch till the end of this video because I've got a special offer on my ebook that you won't want to miss out. Let's get started. Let me just tell you a little story about myself. When I started studying education, major in English, I felt like I had no choice but to become fluent. I believed, how can I teach English if I can't speak it confidently myself? You know what? That mindset pushed me to grow, even when I was afraid. Yes, that is true. That's why I joined speaking contests. I became the editor in chief of our college publication and also the college student government president during my time. That both pushed me to be better at speaking and writing. And even though English wasn't my first language, I kept learning, kept speaking, and kept trying because I had a goal. And that's exactly why I wrote this ebook. Here are 5 solo tips straight from the blueprint, all doable at home starting today. Number 1, narrate your day in English. From chapter 3, micro immersion, one powerful tip in the blueprint is turning your daily routine into speaking practice. In the ebook, I guide you to start with I'm cooking rice, I'm brushing my hair, I'm walking to the store. These small narrations train your brain to think in English without pressure, and it builds up fast over time. The second one, rehearse real life scenarios. From chapter 5, role play like a pro. The blueprint includes sample scripts and speaking situations like ordering food, asking for directions, or making small talk. When I was still learning, I wrote my own versions of these and practiced them until they became natural. The ebook gives you ready-made dialogues and step-by-step instructions so you don't have to start from scratch. The third one, use fluency bursts every day. That's from the chapter 6, Fluency in a Flash. You don't need to speak for hours. One activity in the blueprint challenges you to speak for just 10 minutes a day, focused on one theme. The goal? Progress, not perfection. When I began doing this, I noticed how quickly I stopped translating in my head and started speaking smoothly. The fourth one, speak in front of a mirror. That's from chapter 7, Sound Like a Star. In the ebook, I walk you through pronunciation practice using mirror work, watching your lips, hearing yourself clearly, and boosting your confidence. I use this method when preparing for contests and oral presentations, and it helped me sound more natural and expressive. And the fifth one, create your own English zone at home. That's from chapter 3, micro immersion, plus chapter 9, speak up in real life. In the ebook, I encourage you to build an environment that supports your English journey. For me, I made one part of my room a no Filipina zone. It was my safe space to try, fail, and grow. With this small setup, you can simulate an English reach space without leaving your house. And these are just a few of the strategies inside the complete 170-page system I've created, the 30-day English Fluency Blueprint. Talk confidently anytime with 10 practical focus chapters, step-by-step instructions for speaking every day, bonuses that include a 30-day English fluency planner plus habit tracker, designed for solo learners, no tutor needed, anchored in real life situations, not just textbook English. And you know what? I poured my years of experience, late nights, and real life teaching lessons into this ebook so you can finally stop holding back and start speaking proudly. You can get your copy on my website, www.learnenglish.com for only 2,999 Philippine peso. But wait, since you made it to the end of this video, congratulations because you're getting a special discount on my ebook. Just use the code Fluent English at checkout to get 25% off, and that is 750 pesos in savings. You'll get the full 170-page system with bonus 30-day planner and tracker, all for only 2,250. This is your moment, grab it. No fluff, just real progress. You know what, my dear learners, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to begin.